This is 23-year-old Indian exchange student Janavia Kandula. And in January of this year, while in a crosswalk, she was struck and killed by a Seattle police officer. Now I'm going to show you two body cam footages. One is footage of the incident itself when it occurred, and the second footage is going to be of the Seattle Police Union leader talking about her life is only worth $11,000. Let's get it.
Seattle officer Kevin Dave chirps his police sirens. The roar of his engine heard on his body camera. His speedometer shows acceleration up to 74 miles per hour, responding to a priority 1 call, but within seconds.
3 Mary 2, start a supervisor, start fire for a struck pedestrian.
Is it the same location, sir?
Negative.
Janavi Kandula was in the crosswalk at the Thomas and Dexter intersection when Dave's patrol car hit her.
Understand, on that January night, while Officer Dave was responding to this high priority call, he did not have his lights or sirens running consistently as he plowed into that crosswalk, striking and killing Miss Kandula. Now, let's listen to the president of the Seattle Police Union and the vice president of the Seattle Police Union as they discuss this incident and talk about how much the value of Miss Kandula's life was worth.
Yep. Yep, totally. All right, brother. Well, yep. I'm sure TCIS is. And, oh, he's good. He says, well, normally we don't give voluntary statements. And I said, hey, you're going to have to decide if you wanted to give a statement or not, but it does not seem like there's a criminal investigation going on. Otherwise, there would be other... What's that? Yeah. Otherwise, there might be other people arriving, correct? Yeah, I mean, he's going 50. That's not out of control. That's not reckless for a trained driver. Yeah, lights and sirens. Yeah. Yeah, well, there's some... initially, he said she was in a crosswalk. There's a witness that says, no, she wasn't. But that witness could be different because I don't think she was thrown 40 feet either. I think she went up on the hood, hit the windshield, then when he hit the brakes, flew off the car. But she is dead. No, it's a regular person. Yeah. Yeah, just write a check. Just... Yeah, $11,000. She was 26 anyway. She had limited value.
Now let this sink in. Not only were the president and the vice president of the Seattle Police Union concocting some story surrounding the death of Miss Kandula that did not fit any of the facts in the case, but they were laughing at her death while doing it, and closed out by saying, write a check for $11,000, because basically that's all her life was worth. Now, I'll be waiting in the comments section for any of you back the blue individuals who would like to get eviscerated. Let's get it.